Okay. Enclosure. Now watch this. Listen to the difference.
The big subwoofers pump, whole town quiver. Loud music, lights, beat, creek, bank, shiver. Bass so heavy, moonshine spill out jars. Country rap kings, we superstar here.
Now watch this. This is cool.
Kick up dust storm, subwoofers pound, wild like a cattle horn. Amps cranking hard, pound, wise drum. Bass shake the barn, you feel it in your thumbs. Truck bed rumbler, cornfield
That's
mosh
pretty.
pit, speakers in
That's
the
not
bank,
much of
make
a
the
sound
lightning
there, right?
split. Amplifiers buzz, got the
Watch
country
this,
throb. Echoes in the hollow, make the coyotes sob. Big subwoofers pump, whole town quiver. Loud music, lights, beat, creek, bass, shiver. Bass so heavy.
But I wasn't lying when I said this one is an enclosure.
We superstar here.
Now why does that work so well, right?
The big subwoofers pump, whole town quiver. Loud music, lights, beat, creek, bank, shiver. Bass so heavy.
Let's discuss. All right, guys. There's a lot of math and a lot of geometry and a lot of crazy things going on. But number one, I am no mather. Two, I'm no geometer. But I'm pretty good at wrapping my head around fairly complex concepts and reducing them down to something that's more edible, which is what we do on this channel.